Okay, on display here we are looking at the Shark Navigator lift away vacuum. Now take a look at this thing here. It does advertise with dogs, so that way it says that it's got the hair wrap or no hair wrap, a self-cleaning brush roll. So it's advertising that it is good in case you do have pets. Grips and captures embedded hair that's into the carpet. And the way they advertise this thing as a lift away is that you can pick it up, and it shows a lady picking it up and cleaning her stairs. Lift away to clean stairs. So it's got a detachable pod on it. Here's the other little advertisement that shows the lift away to clean up high, in case you need to get some spider webs or anything that's up high. Take a look at the switch here. So there's the off switch, and then it's got to press once, and that's for hardwood floors. Down again for the carpet. Gray in color. Self-cleaning brush roll. This is the price at a local Costco right now, $149.99, and then it's on sale right now. They're taking $50 off for the manufacturer's rebate, but it gives you a quick glimpse of what to expect if you're in the market to buy the Shark Navigator lift away vacuum cleaner.